Welcome all of you. In this tutorial, we are going to find the missing numbers in the given series. So look at this first geometric series, and to find the value of unknown, we have to look at the pattern first. Each term in this sequence is 3 times the previous term. Like if we multiply 2 to 3, we got 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Similarly, 18 times 3 is 54. And to check the last term, we will multiply 54 into 3, and 54 times 3 is 162. It means our sequence is correct. Now let's see another example, and we have to find which number is needed to complete it. This is the series where every other positive odd integers are listed. So here number 9 is missing. I hope you got it. In the third series, we have to find the missing number. For that, we have to find the pattern. If we look closely, our numbers are going up by the same number each time. And to check this, we have to find the difference between neighboring number. We will go from the known first. If we subtract 13 from 72, we got 59. And 59 minus 13 is equal to 46. 46 minus 13 is 33. And to find the missing number, we will do the same. 33 minus 13, which is equal to 20. And to check the last one, we will do the same. 20 minus 13, which is 7. I hope you got the idea to find the missing numbers in the series. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.